Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today, I am coming to you with a fabulous collab, and it is called Fall Coffee Bar and Beverage Collab. Yes, and it is hosted by the Queen herself over at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and she has a co-host. Her co-host is Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. Yes, I get so excited every season, every year. I thank you, Kimberly, for this beautiful collaboration that you and Kenya put on. I enjoy it so much. I love it. I love putting together my coffee bar and, just bringing it different seasons and stuff like that there. It gives us a chance to decorate our coffee bar, right? All right, so please go and check these ladies out. They are fabulous influencers. They are good at everything that they do. Kenya loves to cook. She loves her lanterns, and she loves decor. And Kimberly, I tell you, she just does everything. She thrift. I love her thrifting items that she get, and it's just so beautiful items that she gets from the thrift store, and she decorates her home so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Yes, and she just a lot of home decor hauls, and she just does beautiful things with her home, and I love it. Her home is decorated so beautiful. And please go and check their channels out. You will not be disappointed. Please tell them that Andrea Mason from the Queen's Court sent you. Yes. And please go and check out the playlist that will be available to all the people that are coming in and looking at the videos. And I would like to say hello to all my faithful returning family members, and welcome to all my new family members. I am the host of this channel, and my name is Andrea Mason, and this is the Queen's Court. Yes, I would love for you to come and be a part of the Queen's Court. So we're going to get and see what we've done with our coffee bar. But I want to say, please, if you're going to enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Excuse me, y'all. It's a piece of hair on my lip. I would love to have you. And also click that all notification bell so that every time that I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much again to everyone. And now, let's go see what we have put together for the Fall Coffee Beverage Bar Collab. Love you all. topiary pumpkin tree that I DIY'd. We have our coffee here, and the whipped cream I DIY'd as well. Here we have our coffee sign with all the latte, macchiato, coffee, and mocha, cappuccino, and I made those fall leaf signs with glitter. Here we have our leaf bowls, our gather plates. Here we have our dessert. I faked up these here pretty beautiful mini chocolate cakes, finger cakes I can call them, with sprinkles on top. Love it. I think I'll have me a piece on those gathered plates from the Dollar Tree. Yes. Here we have our plates here from the Dollar Tree. We have our K-cups in this here apothecary jar that I got from Good Stuff. This two-tier tray came from Hobby Lobby. We have our honey spoons in the back for either tea or coffee, whatever you like to put in it. These beautiful flowers came from Walmart. And there we have our coffee bar, all ready to drink you a nice cup of coffee and enjoy the fall weather. Happy fall to everyone. Happy fall. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I'd love to have you.